Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bill.com to streamline insurance vendor payments, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bill.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the Vendors section in the main dashboard. Click on the Add Vendor button to create a new vendor profile. Enter the vendor's name, which should be the insurance company you are working with. Fill in the vendor's contact information, including phone number and email address. Next, enter the payment information for the vendor. Choose the payment method that aligns with your company's practices. Select the option for electronic payments if available. Enter the vendor's bank account details to facilitate direct transfers. After entering all necessary information, click Save to create the vendor profile. Now, go to the Payments section in the dashboard. Click on Make a Payment to initiate the payment process. Select the newly created insurance vendor from your list of vendors. Enter the payment amount and select the payment date. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Approve to finalize the payment. The payment will now be scheduled according to the date you selected. You can track the payment status within the platform under the Payments tab. For recurring payments, consider setting up a scheduled payment option for future dates. This feature will help you automate insurance vendor payments efficiently. To ensure all details are accurate, double-check your vendor settings periodically. Update any changes in the vendor profile as necessary to maintain up-to-date records. Following these steps will streamline your insurance vendor payments through Bill.com. This will enhance not only efficiency but also accuracy in your financial processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.